In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo or video to a Reddit post working 2026. Let's get started right in your web browser. Head to reddit.com and make sure you're on your own account. Since posting requires you to be signed in, if you land on the homepage, that's perfect. You can also start from within a community if you already know where you want to post. At the top of the page, look for the Create Post button. Give that a click to open the Post Composer. This is where everything comes together. If you open the Composer from the home page, you'll see a field to choose where to post. Pick the subreddit that best fits your content. You can type to search for a community by name and select it from the dropdown. Choosing the right subreddit matters because each community has its own topic and posting rules, and sticking to those helps your post stay up and get seen. Inside the Composer, you'll notice several tabs for different post types. Click the Images and Video tab. This switches the editor into media mode and prepares the upload area so Reddit knows you're sharing a photo or a video rather than text or a link. Now it's time to add your file. You can drag and drop your image or video straight into the upload area or click the upload button to browse your computer and select it. Most common formats work fine, like JPEG and PNG for photos and MP4 or MOV for videos. If the file is large, give it a moment to process. Some communities allow multiple images, which Reddit will display as a gallery. If you add more than one, you can adjust the order before posting. If Reddit prompts you for a thumbnail or similar on-screen options, just follow those prompts to finish preparing your media. With your media in place, add a clear, descriptive title in the title field. This is required and helps people understand what they're about to see. Depending on the community, you may see optional fields like body text, tags, or flair. Use them if they apply, and consider toggling any spoiler or NSFW switches if your content needs it. When in doubt, a quick glance at the community's rules, usually shown on the right side, can save you from a removal. When everything looks good, click Post. If the button is grayed out, double check that you chose a subreddit, selected the Images and Video tab, uploaded at least one file, and entered a title. After you post, your content should appear in the community feed. You can edit the title or add flair after posting if the community settings allow it. That's it. Open Reddit, create a post, choose your community, select images and video, upload, title it, and post.